So hello everyone, I am back from for our next topic, dimension reduction from our assignment. So dimension reduction. So dimension reduction refers to the process of reducing the number of the features in a dataset while the retaining most of the relevant information. This helps to reducing the computational and the complexity and the overfitting in the machine learning models. So there were some common techniques for data dimension reductions. So first one is the principal component analysis, which is known as the PCA. Projects data to a lower dimensional space while maximizing the variance. Second is the T distributed neighbor embedding. In this method, non-linear dimensional reduction often used for visualization. Second is linear discriminant analysis, known as LDA. Focus on the maximizing class separately. Fourth one is the feature selection. Selecting a subset for important features. So this is an this is an dimensional reductions. So dimensional reductions in a data analysis. So this presentation explore dimensional reduction techniques focusing on the principal component PCA, a method for simplifying a higher dimensional datasets. So identify multicollinearity in a dataset by some problem. Like our problem is multicollinearity occurs when the independent variables in a dataset are highly correlated, making it difficult to isolate their individual effects on the dependent of variables. So the solution, we can first identify the multicollinearity using a statistical technique such as the correlation matrices, variance inflation factor VIF, and the tolerance value, and the high VIF score indicates the presence of multicollinearity. So preparing data for a principal component analysis. So it will be on standardization and the feature selection. For first, transforming variables to have the zero mean and the unit variance allows to consist comparison across the different scales. And the second is feature selection, removing the irrelevant or the redundant features from the dataset ensure the PCA focuses on the most impactful dimensions. So the applying principles of PCA, a principal component analysis on a Python by some steps. First, import library. Second, create as a PCA object and fit and transform. So import library, start by importing necessary libraries like pandas, numpy, and the slack length decomposition. And create PCA principal component analysis object. Instrument a PCA object specify the desired number of component or the percentage of the variance for a return. Third is for fit and the transform. Fit the PCA model to the standardize the data and apply the transformation, reduce the dimensionality. So interpreting the principal components and the explained variance. So first is eigenvalue and second is eigenvectors. So in eigenvalues, analyze the eigenvalues which indicates the amount of variance explained by each component on a graph. And second is the eigenvector. Interpret the eigenvector to understand how original features contributed on the each principal components. Reducing dimensionality and evaluating the results. So basically the results are reducing dimensionality. So first one is the dimensionality reduction. So choose the optical number of component based on the explained variance, balancing the dimensionality and reduction with some information for the retention. Second one is evaluation. The assess the impact of dimensionality and reduction on the model performance, considering matrices like accuracy and predictions and the interpretability. So these are the dimensional reduction. Thank you.